Hello and welcome to AAA Reviews. Today I am doing another how-to video. If you haven't already, please check out my how to press your action figures to get the cards nice and straight, because I've done a video on that. But today I am going to help, hopefully, because I know some of you do not like stickers, don't want stickers on your figures. I'm going to show you the 3 techniques that I've learned through collecting figures, and it's kind of been experimental as I've gone along on how to remove stickers. And there's 3 different ways, because there's 3 different types of situation which I'm going to explain through this tutorial. If you haven't already, please hit a like, please hit subscribe, please turn on notifications, and please share with your friends. Also, please check out my other videos. I would really appreciate it. I often review figures and give you current prices, average prices of what they're going for at current times. Now, let's get on to this video. So you're going to need some bits depending on what your sticker issue is. So if I just take this figure here, for example, we've got a sticker up here. I personally, as I always say, don't remove stickers because I think it adds to the charm, the history, the character of the figure. I quite like the fact that that was originally $6.99 on this one, for example. But if you want to remove that, I'm going to show you how to remove the sticker from there. I have had the odd case, and I'll show you a really good example of it, where the sticker's been on the front here and it's really kind of like spoiling the look of the figure. So if it's on the front here, I'll remove it. I've also had examples where they've been torn off and the sticky residues left, so I'll show you how to remove that, because there's a different process if you're removing it from the card or if you're removing it from the plastic. Also, I've got a perfect example today where if it's on the face, you'll definitely want that removed. So I'm going to give you 3 examples. Now, you are going to need some tools to do the job depending on where the sticker is. So if the sticker's on the card, you're going to need an iron and some Teflon paper. If the sticker is on the plastic, you are going to need a hairdryer. And if the sticker has been ripped off the plastic and it's left an awful residue, you are going to need a couple of extra things which you may not have. Probably got glass cleaner, but you're going to need a microfiber cloth and some glass cleaner. And you're also going to need some throwaway wipes. These are just antibacterial wipes, and some tar and glue remover which you use on a car. It's got a very strong smell, solventy smell, so be careful where you're spraying this. I'll talk you through it all, the process, but you'll need that if you've got a really sticky residued sticker here. So with all that said, if you want to watch on now, I'm going to show you the 3 ways that I remove stickers from action figures. Okay, so this is the first sticker we've got here, which is the most common one, a sticker on the side or a sticker on the front of the figure. Normally if it's on the side like this, I never remove it. However, if it was on the front, I would. Now, you have to be mindful of other stickers that are there, because you don't want them coming off. Now, I'm just gently now heating up, as you can see, so you can see there on camera, because I can't get it on camera on my tripod. I am just heating up with a hairdryer, not too close, at a distance, just to warm that sticker up so it will pull off really easy and not leave any residue, hopefully. So we're just going to keep it at a distance. If you get the hairdryer too close, you will melt the plastic on your figure and do permanent damage. So you must keep it at a distance. You can kind of feel it with your hand, the heat, to see that it's warming up, and then you'll know when it's ready to be pulled off. So I'm just gently moving it around in that general area, which is the area I want the sticker to come off. And I'm doing this all in real time, guys, so you can sort of see how quickly this process is. So now I'm just going to carefully peel. As you peel the sticker, if it starts to make any sort of tear sound, it needs more heat. It needs a little bit longer. And yes, these stickers do have a tendency to break apart. That's perfectly normal. That's nothing to worry about. It's as you're pulling, if you feel too much resistance, or it starts to make a sort of tearing sound, like this is just done here. I'm talking over this, so you guys can't hear this, but if I get that, then I just carry on with a little bit more heat. So we'll just apply a bit more heat, and this should be completely removed. And like I say, normally on the sides, I don't worry about it. I'm happy. I want that sticker on there, but for the purposes of this video, to show you guys how to do it, because we're all different. Some of us want these stickers off anyway. So here we go. We'll just pull that last bit off, and this bit's kind of really dug in, so I'll just use my nail there and we'll just be able to prise that off. It is nice and warm, and there you go, there's the sticker off. Take off any little bit, there we are. So it's left a small amount of residue, hardly anything, just you could just sort of see it there, hopefully on camera, just there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a cloth, give it a little wipe, possibly just pop some glass cleaner. Now do not spray the glass cleaner directly onto the figure box because you don't want it going all over the card. Just spray a little bit on there, give that a wipe, and we should have a completely removed sticker. You would never know it was even there, and that is the results you get using this technique. So long as you follow this technique, guys, you won't have any problems and you won't cause any damage. And be mindful of other stickers on your figure box. Next up, I've got this really cool Joker figure, but unfortunately there was a big square sticker, as you can see, that was put on the front, and someone's tried to tear it off and unsuccessfully torn it off, and it's just left an absolute mess. I can see why they may have tried, but look at that. And this is where you really would want to remove a sticker, and I've kept this example purely so I could show you guys how to remove it, because that is completely unsightly. It's taken away from the figure in this case. So this is an example where I would definitely remove the sticker from the figure, and this has been stuck on there for quite some time, so it's not an easy fix if you don't know how to remove the sticker, because that's such a shame. So here's some things we're going to need in order to be able to remove this sticker from this figure if you get a situation like this. So we've got some wipes. They could be wet wipes, antibacterial wipes, just some wipes that you can throw away. We're next going to need some tar and glue remover, and they're all different brands. This one was just £10 on Amazon. I do use it on my car actually, but this works great because it will dissolve glue in next to no time at all. Now you have to be careful with this, and I would normally recommend wearing gloves. We're going to spray a little bit onto the cloth. I just didn't have any gloves, and I'm sort of old school. I'm naughty really, but if I had gloves for the purposes of this video I would use them. Now I'm just going to gently rub that over that sticky residue area, and we're just going to let that work into the plastic. It does not take long for this stuff to work. It is absolutely awesome. This will remove in no time at all. So I'm just gently rubbing away, making sure I get it over all that sticky residue, back and forth, round in circles, and it will literally just start to come off on a cloth. A little bit more, we don't want too much. Always spray directly onto the cloth, never onto the figure itself, in case you've got bits of card and that. You do not want this stuff going onto the card. You may even want to cover the card bits up. That's entirely up to you, but if you're careful enough, it shouldn't be a problem. This particular figure is all plastic. There we go, guys. Literally speeded this up a little bit, but all I did was continue to wipe the figure down, and look how crystal clear and how much better that is. Wow, it's so serious. We can actually see the Joker now, which is pretty awesome. Then I'm going to take, because we've put tar remover onto the figure, the next step, and this is very important, we don't want to leave tar remover on there. We don't want no damage to the plastic. I'm going to take a microfiber cloth, spray on some really nice glass cleaner, which brings up the plastic really nice, and I'm just going to spray over maybe once or twice, and just make sure I wipe everything over. And guys, I've never had a problem using this technique, and I've used it several times. People in retail can be a real pain and put stickers in the worst possible places. So here we go, we're just going to go all over that, just making sure there's none of that tar remover left, and it will come up absolutely gleaming, nice and spotless. And I've done all this in real time, guys, just so you can see how quickly these techniques are. They don't take a lot of time, and the results are absolutely fantastic. Make sure you let me know in the comments if you've tried any of these, if you're going to try any of these. Please follow it to the letter. Don't go doing anything that I've not told you to do, because I don't want you ruining your figures and then blaming me, be like, ah, no. But there you are, the Joker completely removed sticker. It's 100% better, as you can see, and the results are really cool. The next figure I'm going to show you is another figure where they've left, and I wanted to show you that I'm happy to do this on my retro action figures essentially. Look at that, that's been there possibly 20 years. Someone's pulled the sticker off and left that residue, which we really don't want, and it just takes away from Quarkio. I mean, I did a video review on this back along, and I thought, oh, I sort of took a mental note that that was on there, so when I came to do this video, now I'm just doing it again, rubbing on some tar and glue remover, and you'll literally see it right in front of your eyes. It's amazing. It'll just come off. Just gently rubbing in that, only in that area. Don't need to be rubbing it anywhere else, and this just will come away. And again, we're going to need to put glass cleaner on, and this will just completely remove. Sorry, I am getting a bit of a croaky throat. It's Christmas time, and it's just all going about at the moment. So there we go, we're just rubbing away, and this will remove the sticker off there. That's been there for years, many years, and you might have thought, wow, there's no way of ever getting rid of that. So just a few more rubs and that is completely gone. And it'll massively improve your figure collection, guys. I know this, no one's actually asked me for this how-to, by the way, but I do see it pop up in forums, and people are saying, how do you get rid of stickers off this way or that way? And there are 3 main examples. I can't think of any others. If you can, let me know in the comments, and maybe I'll be able to come up for a solution. But these are the 3 main sticker sort of things I see. Of course, you'll get stickers on the back, but there's either the, I don't think it matters so much if they're on the back. It's more the front of the figure that people are concerned about. If it incidentally is on the back, you can use these you can use some of these techniques. Obviously, you can't use the thing. Look at that. I think we'll all agree that is a massive improvement from that horrible square, sticky sort of square that was just stuck right in the middle of the figure, and that has improved massively. So yeah, I've never had a problem with this. I've never had an issue where it's sort of done any damage, as long as you clear it up afterwards. So you just need these throwaway wipes, and this stuff really does smell, so be mindful of that. You want to be in an open space, maybe have a window open. You don't want any children around. It is really a strong smell to it. The next and third and final scenario for removing stickers is probably the most common one if you don't want these stickers up in the top corner. So what we're going to do, we've heated an iron, no steam, we put some Teflon paper over the top, and we're just going to gently heat up that surface area. Just gently, circles, not too long, don't keep it in one place, we don't want to do any burning or damage. We're just going to gently rub onto that sticker there, and then it's just going to come away with ease. You'll be, really surprised. We're just going to peel it away, and it's not going to leave. As soon as I feel it, I can feel it's warm, I'm just going to find a corner. And sometimes these stickers, like I say, they do separate. That's perfectly normal. Now I can feel that's not quite right. Listen carefully as you peel, and peel slowly. Don't try and peel it off really fast. You could risk damaging the card on the figure, and we don't want that. Just gently heat up. It's kind of, you get a feel for this as you do it. This is just something you're going to get better at as you do more of it, if this is what you want to do, if you want to remove the stickers completely. So I'm just going to slowly pull that off. There is no residue. As long as you do this slowly, heat in circles, get a feel for it, you'll see now. There will be kind of an outline, a possible very light outline of where the sticker once was. But there is no residue, there is no tear on the card. There's absolutely damage free, so long as you follow these steps correctly and take your time, guys. That's always with all 3 of these techniques. Just take your time, don't rush anything. You will get really good results. So there you are, guys. There is how you remove stickers in 3 different kinds of situations. This figure here, look how clear that has come up. That is absolutely fantastic. It's massively improved as to what it was, and in situations like that you really do need to remove the sticker, because if you'd have left it just the giant square sticker in front of his face, you can't even see the figure, and that's not what you want when you're collecting. And if someone's tore it off like we had on the Quark one and it leaves that awful sort of thing, you don't want that. But please follow the steps correctly. So, you know, if you do use tar and glue remover to remove the residue and you wipe away, make sure you give it a good old wipe over a couple of times with glass cleaner to make sure you're not leaving any tar remover on the plastic. Another thing to make sure you do is, if you have the hairdryer, make sure when you're blasting hot air over that sticker that you just want to peel off, that you don't get it too close, because this plastic will just melt and misshape so easily. So make sure you keep a good bit of distance. You'll sort of feel it, and as you peel that sticker, just remember, if you start to feel any resistance, just add a bit more heat, and that will save you leaving too much sort of sticky residue. And of course, never put a iron with any water. I mean, I empty the iron of water, and then when you put that iron over the top sticker, if you've got a sticker on the top of the box, make sure there's some Teflon paper, just little circles for a few seconds, get it warm, and just see how it feels. A lot of it you kind of have to feel as you're peeling, really. So I hope that's helped you guys. If you haven't checked out my other videos, please do. Until next time, good luck searching for that toy gold.